NASA is sending a fleet of drones to the moon. Before humans set foot on the moon again, NASA's MoonFall Project plans to send autonomous drone swarms to explore the lunar South Pole. These hoppers will traverse rough terrain to map the surface and gather data for future astronaut missions, using smartphone-like tech and private sector partnerships to enhance exploration and safety. Deep within the Jet Propulsion Laboratory in Pasadena, California, Ray Baker is heading up the ambitious MoonFall Project. The team aims to complete the mission by the end of 2028, ahead of future astronaut landings. The MoonFall team is building on lessons from the Ingenuity Mars helicopter, which completed 72 flights on Mars. Ray Baker says they are combining Ingenuity's success, JPL expertise, and private sector innovation to speed up development, leveraging the growing space industry's capabilities for the mission. Each of the 4 drones will carry 10 cameras and multiple sensors, forming a 40-camera system to capture detailed lunar images. These will be stitched into a high-resolution map of the moon, helping identify safe landing sites for Artemis astronauts and plan infrastructure for a future permanent lunar base. Like the Ingenuity Mars helicopter, the lunar drones use smartphone-like electronics and onboard intelligence to detect hazards. As they move across the surface, they continuously scan the terrain and automatically choose the safest landing spots to ensure the mission can continue in the moon's difficult environment. NASA is moving quickly on the MoonFall project, aiming to select private partners by June while prototype drone hardware is already built or under assembly. The fast-track timeline includes 2026 captive carry tests, 2027 final assembly and testing, and 2028 delivery for launch to the lunar South Pole. Ray Baker says the schedule prioritizes speed and efficiency, and the team is confident it can be achieved. The MoonFall project's cost is still unknown, but NASA is using private partnerships to make lunar exploration more efficient. Ray Baker says JPL is confident in the schedule. Drones will be released during descent, land autonomously, and rely on industry support for key systems like propulsion and braking to reduce cost and risk.